Meet the Thunder, easily Nepal's most powerful speaker till date. Experience Ultima at its finest, yet unlike ever before. Go loud, leave nothing to imagination, even on full volume. Party harder with TWS mode and sync over 100 Thunder 120 for an unrivaled volume experience. It's rugged, it's resilient, it's certified to take some splashes, scuffs, while keeping the party alive. Match the vibe with a symphony of RGB brilliance for hours on a single charge. It's your assistant, your power bank, your wingman, your vibe. No corners cut, no details lost, because this is how music is supposed to sound.